So, as you are well aware, my friend, I am in Rauthar. This is my book, Lost Paradise Kashmir. Today, we will discuss about the Islamic Gunism against the Hindus in Kashmir because Islam is a perfect Gunism. Islam is an organized group of the rapists, killers, and the vagabonds which are loitering for the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth, as the Muhammad committed this heinous crime so many times. Today, we will discuss about the reality of the Islam. Now it is clearly transparent as a mirror. Who are human being and respect the humanity and who does not. This is very known proverb in Hindi. सारी उम्र में यही गलती करता रहा, चेहरे पर मेरे गंदगी थी पर आईना साफ करता रहा. Though the many words of belong to in proverb in Urdu means the slave language of the Hindi or the language of the prostitutes known as the Urdu. Means try to clean my face was paranoia but always clean the mirror, which was the confusion with me whole life. This confusion of the terrorist is that they are fighting for Allah and against kafirs. If kafirs are powerful than Muslims, it means Allah does not favor the Mu'mins or the good Muslims or the true Muslims. Those people blame RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad and other organization of the non-Muslim, that is the non-Muslim organization, did not read the doctrine of Vedic culture or the Jesus Christ. God, according to Vedic recognition, there is no concept of the distribution of the human in two groups. Hell dwellers and the heaven dwellers after end of the world, Kafir and Muslims or the Mohammed respectively. There is also no concept of the killing of any non-Muslim or Muslims respectively. This work of God to love all, but as per Quranic Allah, who does not love to kafirs and others who do not believe in that there is a seven sky, earth is bad or flat like soccer and static means not moving, or Allah make mountains for planted on the earth's surface as we are sowing the herbs and the tree for fearing blown up by storm or wind on earth. So how intelligent person obey these type of the myth? If he will obey, people will say that he is certainly maniac or mentally retarded or stupid or took drugs or the cannabis daily. It is better to be kafirs than follow any wrong thinking. This is main cause of the terrorism and false concept of the superiority in Muslims that Allah and Prophet tell us that kafirs are wasbi qatil and will go to hell, etc. This is the real cause of the terrorism. In Vedic religion, women are admirable, even women of enemy has to do regard them. As Sambhaji Raje, son of Shivaji Raje, captured the Gaur Banu. Then Shivaji Raje rebuked the Sambhaji Raje and ordered to return Gaur Banu queen to her relatives. I am not describing that Hindus Puran are not authentic, and these are the stories. It is not possible to resign of the head of Lord Ganesh with the trunk stolen from any male child of the elephant. These all stories made by the enemies of the Hinduism and many so-called Brahmins or by others who wanted the more lords, more temples and more earnings. So this was the distortion of the Vedic religion. Many hypotheses are available in Ramayana and also Ramcharitmanas written by Goswami Tulsidas that Kumbhakarna used to sleep or 6 months awake for the 6 months. This is very false. Actually, even men sleep 12 hours sleep in night and awake 12 hours for the working. So 6 minutes sleep and 6 months working in a year. As Lord Krishna had the thousands female companion and Radha was his beloved. Actually, Radha was the maternal aunt of the Lord Krishna. And in Mahabharata and Gita is not description of the Radha, but Subhadra is the wife of the Lord Krishna. Puran having so many hypotheses after in all Purans never describe that kill the good person but fight against evil and all human beings are friend and near and dear. Now we will tell you about the temple destroyed by the Islamic goons in Jammu and Kashmir. Temples destroyed in the Jammu and Kashmir by Muslim goons as a treacherous role. Martand Surya Temple. This temple is situated in Anantnag district, 8 kilometers from Anantnag headquarters and built by Lalita Diya Mukta Pid in the 8th century. Martand is the synonymous for Surya in Sanskrit. Temple was destroyed. Sultan Sikandar Butt Sikhan as a part of fanatic ideology of his efforts to forcibly convert Kashmiri people to Islam. It is said that temple has been built during 700 to 580 to 756 AD. The foundation of the temple is around 370 Anna Domini to 500 Anna Domini. At the time of the Rana Ditya of Karkota dynasty, it has been surrounded by 84 smaller shrines, stretching 200 feet long and the 142 feet broad total. It is built in peristyle, a Greek architecture with a continuous porch formed by a row of columns surrounding the perimeter of the buildings. Amarnath temple is a very cave temple. According to legend, Bhigu Muni or the Bhirgu Muni was the first to have discussed this temple, though it is a cave. So terrorists have not interest for vandalization of this temple. According to daily reports, more than 2 times terrorists on this holy shrine. Temple destroyed in Srinagar district in 1986. Gun Patyar temple is in Srinagar, stoned and window panel broken. Kalausa temple, the Kalausa temple in the same named village located in Bandipora district had been desecrated and its main idols was broken or stolen. Sada Mola temple, this temple also desecrated and idols were broken or stolen. Rupa Bhavani temple, Ganderbal is the temple totally safe with many temples. Thanks to Kashmiri people. Though extremists did not desecrate the same temple because they know that these temples were burnt by our forefathers, which were Hindus, and forcibly converted to Islam by torturing them. Bhairavnath temple, Karanagar ransacked and carpet burned. Nagra Mad temple in Tulsi Bagh, arson and stoning. Raghunath temple, it is situated in Zambu district in the year of 202 in March months was attacked by Muslim Islamic fundamentalists, 20 devotees and 40 injuries. The pillar built spiral shaped temples which brick and the crowd each tower with bright colors in the shape of the Sikar rising tower. One such temple complex was started in 1822 to 1835 is also mentioned by the Highness Gulab Singh, the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir, on 30th February 202. Terrorists attacked on this temple. Destruction of the temple is an incident in construction of the temple destruction since 711/12. When Muhammad bin Qasim attacked on Deval, now Karachi, and destroyed the many famous temples in Sindh province, at least 20,000 thousands temples were ruined by the Muslim kings as part of the Islam as preached by Muhammad bin Abdullah, who was born in Petra, not Mecca, because there was no Mecca city at the Muhammad's time, as by Dan Gibson, an archaeologist in the Khorasan tribe. In Khorasan tribe, reason of the temple destruction. Reason of destruction is the super stupidity, because these temples are not only worshipped, but these are the great examples of the great architecture and the sculptures. Temple are the center of the cow breeding, religious study, and the Ayurveda hospital, so it was very essential to desecrate it and destruct the devastated Vedic religion culture. Bhaktiar Khilji set on fire in Nalanda University for running of the Buddhist religious books and Vedas with Vedants and the sculpture. Temples, Takshila University was the first university in the world, though it was destroyed by very Muslims. Takshila means city of cut stones, now in Pakistan. The destruction of the Takshila. This theory that Huns destroyed Takshila University has no legs and a case without evidence. It lies 32 kilometers northwest of Islamabad and Rawalpindi, just off the famous Grand Trunk Road in Punjab, Pakistan. This is the oldest, at least Takshila city goes back 1000 BC, before Christ. Many temples were destroyed in Kashmir since inception of Islam in Kashmir from a man Hamdani Mir Sayyid Ali. Hamdani was so feared about authenticity to Vedic religion in comparison to Islam that he made many rules to Hindus in Kashmir at the time of Sikandar Butsikhan or the Shah Miri for checking spreading the Hindu culture in Kashmir. Though he was Sufi, but Sufism is a karat serpent type bite to Hindus because karat bite is not painful. Even sometimes bite is so minor that a person does feel its bite as ant bite but ultimately goes in the mouth of the death. Mostly Hindus are innocent by nature and they cannot understand plot or conspiracy by other cult followers. Even any non-Hindu tells to Hindus that there is so many lacuna in Vedic religion. They will be agree without reading Vedas and other religious books. And after that comparison of the calculative observation, primarily when Hindu people do not know about religion and the books, even they were after reading many books of other cults, astonished them astonished then in so-called religious books having so enmity of those people who are not following the cruel teaching of those books, which allows the killing the people in the name of the cult, religion or the Allah. I was also unaware about this, but when I read Holy Quran, that is the Vivid Quran in my word, and other books, even Goswami Tulsidas Ramcharitmanas, I was astonished to see the doctrine against the Dhol, Gamar, Pasu, Sudra, Nari, ये सब ताड़न के अधिकारी. In this context, Quran and Ramcharitmanas saying the same as against Kafirs by Quran and later by Goswami Tulsidas. Goswami Tulsidas was a very rogue person after reading this कॉफी दोहा चौपाई और दोहा. So it is our duty to condemn all these atrocities preached by these books. Allah divided humanity in two parts: A. Heaven abode or the Muslims, B. Hell abode or all non-Muslim. As per Quran via Jabriel or the Jibrail to Muhammad to Muslims. Where this is monolithic religion, where is for Rasuls as Moses, thou, Jesus and Muhammad Sahib to Allah is a very long chain. So it is great fraud that there is a space of peace in Islam against Kafirs. Even Ahmadiyas, Qadianis, Shias, Bohras are not Muslims as per Islamic law. So it is the same practice to search a needle from the heap of the straw. This is a great Makkari or duplicacy that Islam is not against Kafirs, or it is the place of the non-Muslims. This is the great proofs that so many women of the Hindus raped in Kashmir by Muslims, killing of the Kashmiri Hindus, destructed the temples, looted their wealth. Any Muslim leader as Devband Barelvi opened their mouth against these atrocities against Kashmiri Hindus? No, because as per Islam, verdict is permissible under the horrible guidelines of the rape with Kafir's women. You can check this in many verses of the Quran and the Sahih Bukhari Hadith. These all are pissing on the head of the Hindus, Kafirs, and the Hindus are taking it as easy as rainwater. Hindus are badly sleeping and boasting their castes only. Tell us which caste had not converted into Islam. Please tell us even a single caste. When you are so much disrespected by the Muslim kings, then why are boasting the pride of the caste? Why are you not Hindus but casteists? This is the main cause of the collapse of the Vedic religion, though Vedas are most scientific religious book in the history of the civilization. So we can say that Islam is a totally Gunism against the non-Muslims. This is why many temples were desecrated by these Islamic goons in Kashmir. And so please, this is my new book, Zohar in Indian Subcontinent by Vijay Kumar Pal. It is published on the Saraswat publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Though it is available on the Amazon, Flipkart. Please read this book. how the Hindu women were raped by the Muslims, and due to fear of the molestation, they goes they went to the suicidal efforts in the two ways: sink in the water or uh, or uh, or with the fire. So this is the way of the Islam who destructed the whole human values. Even the now the Arabic Muslims are also ashamed to see the heinous criminal acts which were committed by Muhammad, as the rapes, looting, or the killings of the non-Muslims in the name of the fallacy of the Allah which was created by Muhammad. Thank you very much.